Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that recently delete option not showing on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right. And here you can see the option of your activity. Click on that option and you need to scroll down, and here you can see the option of recently deleted, the second last option. And here you can find all your deleted pictures, videos, or any story. But if you are unable to see any, then you need to go back and open Play Store and search for Instagram. And if there is an update, you need to update your Instagram, and then you need to go into the settings and go into the app management and go into the app list and search for Instagram. And then you need to click on storage and cache, and the first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. And then you need to log in again into your Instagram account, and after that your issue will be resolved. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.